TN Kavita. Today we are going to see equation reducible to Bessel's equation in my lecture 7. In many problems, we come across such differential equations which can easily be reduced to Bessel's equation and therefore can be solved by means of Bessel functions. This is type 1 Bessel's equation. Reduce this differential equation, that means the Bessel's equation, to the Bessel's form. This differential equation, we need to change it into Bessel's form. Let this as equation 1, and now let t equal to kx such that dy by dx equal to k into dy by dt, d square y by dx square equal to k square into d square y by dt square from our assumption t equal to kx. Then the equation 1 becomes, on substituting this dy by dx and d square y by dx square, our equation 1 becomes like this: t square into d square y by dt square plus t into dy by dt plus t square minus n square into y equal to 0. Its solution is in this form. Since n is non-integral, this form the solution will take, and n is integral, then the solution will take this form: c1 jn of t plus c2 yn of t. Here, hence the solution 1 is y equal to c1 jn of kx plus c2 j minus n of kx. N is non-integral, and when n is integral, the solution will take this form. So equation 1 reducible to Bessel's form. The next, type 2, this differential equation can be reducible to Bessel's form. So let this as equation 2. Here put y equal to x power n z, so that our dy by dx and d square y by dx square take this form after differentiating x power n into z. So then, on substituting this y dy by dx and d square by dx square in the equation 2, we can get this equation. On dividing by x power n minus 1 and putting 2n plus a equal to 1 in the equation, in this equation, we can get the Bessel's form equation. Its solution by equation 1 is, already we know this type of equation can get the solution like this when n is non-integral and when n is integral. Hence the solution of equation 2 is in this form when n is non-integral and when n is integral, where here x power n takes this, n is in the form of 1 minus a by 2. Okay, so the next type 3, the differential equation is in this form. Now we reduced it to Bessel's form. So for that we put x is equal to t power m. Here t is equal to x power 1 by m. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. So that means from this t equal to x power 1 by m, we can find the dy by dt as in this form: 1 by m t power 1 minus m and into dy by dt. So now d square y by dx square, on differentiating this dy by dx, we can get this d square y by dx square. On substituting y dy by dx, d square y by dx square in the equation 3, we find this type of equation. On multiplying this equation by m square by t power 1 minus m, we can find this equation. In order to reduce it to equation 2, we get mr plus m, and also we have to let mr plus m minus 1 is equal to 1. From that we find the m value as 2 by r plus 1 and a equal to 1 minus m plus cm. So this is equal to r plus 2c minus 1 by r plus 1. Thus it reduces to t into d square y by dt square plus a into dy by dt plus km square into ty equal to 0. Thus it is similar to the equation 2. Hence the solution of this equation 3 is y equal to x power n by m c1 jn km x power 1 by m plus c2 j minus n km x power 1 by m. Here n is a fraction. Y equal to n by x power n by m c1 jn km x power 1 by m plus c2 yn km x power 1 by m when n is an integer. Here n equal to 1 minus a by 2, that means 1 minus c by 1 plus r, and m is equal to 2 by 1 plus r. Here we are going to see example using this reducible to Bessel's equation. Solve this differential equation y double dash plus y dash by x plus 8 minus 1 by x square into y equal to 0. Compare the given equation to reducible Bessel's equation. This type of Bessel's equation we know. On comparing with this equation, the given equation this is. So both equation 1 and 2 we have to compare and find the value of n as 1 and k equal to 2 root 2. Now the solution form we know. On substituting the n value and k value in the solution, we find the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, it's easy only. Yes, in our example 2, the differential equation given. For the differential equation we have to choose the reducible Bessel's equation, and comparing those two equations, this is the given equation. On comparing these two equations, we find the c equal to 0, k equal to 3 by 2 and r equal to 2. So now the n value is 1 minus c by 1 plus r, that you know. And substituting this c value and r value, we find n equal to 1 by 3, m equal to 2 by 3, n by m equal to 1 by 2. Hence the solution of the equation 2 is, that means the given differential equation is y equal to x power n by m c1 jn km x power 1 by m plus c2 y minus n km x power 1 by m. That means the original solution after substituting the values of n, m, and we find this original solution of the given differential equation. So next we are going to see one more example. Solve this differential equation given. Comparing the given equation into Bessel's equation, reducible Bessel equation, that we can take as equation 1. The given equation is equation 2. Find the values of c, k, r and find the m, n value. After we know the Bessel's solution, substituting the m, n value means we get the final solution of the Bessel given differential equation. Okay, see you in our next lecture. Thank you to listening. Okay, see you, bye. Thank you.